Hello viewers, in our last session, I outlined some of the key aspects for project management at the inception stage of the infrastructure project. Now the question is, as a project manager, what actions are to be taken by you to accomplish all those important tasks? There is no single formula or technique for it, but it would be a combination of various soft skill and technical skill. So I would advise you to use the first principles. See, your life is your most important project. It has long-term goals, it has medium-term goals, it has short-term or immediate goals. Life has its successes, it has its failures. And you handle all these every day. Thus, you can see that the project management instinct is there in human being from the birth of the person. A newborn baby, when he or she is hungry or needs care and attention, the baby manages it either by crying or by body language. When you were a kid and you wanted a chocolate or a toy from your parents or some other family members, what you do? Either you expressed it through innocent smile or by repeated demand, sometimes by sad expression, and you managed it. So all these actions are nothing but project management technique to achieve your end objective. Every human being as such is a project manager. And that's the reason I believe the project management skill is a gift of God. Now let us go back to the fundamentals or root of the project management techniques used during your childhood to fulfill your requirement. It's all about human relation and personal connect. The kids are strongly attached to the parents and the family members. And that's the reason everyone ensures that kids are happy and satisfied. And mind it, it is not always one-way traffic. It's give and take philosophy, whether we agree or not. The parents and other family members are also beneficiary in the process from the kids. The kids make the environment pleasant and filled with joy for the family members. So it's clear now, the first and foremost and most important criteria to be successful as project manager is to manage human relation. All the stakeholders involved in the project management and in the project, they should trust you, they should believe in your actions and decisions, and also all of them should have all the willingness and courage to make sure that you succeed as project manager in delivering the project. If the entire project team does not align with you properly, it is very difficult for you to succeed as project manager. Being a project manager, you should act like a boss of the project management team, but never behave like a boss. Behave like one of the team members without your ranking as a project manager. Listen to everyone carefully. Respect the views of everyone. Expect realistically the output from others. Take decisions without any bias, purely on merit, and ultimately take ownership and accountability of all the output from the entire unit. That is the key to success as a project manager. All these are very critical and important for building and managing human relation with all the stakeholders involved in the project management unit. Otherwise, only your brilliancy or high education or the modern project management tools and techniques cannot drive success alone in achieving the end result. We discussed the most basic but extremely important soft quality of a successful project manager. Manage your relations. That's the essence of project management. There is no shortcut to it. It makes your life easier in achieving the result. Never forget this important aspect of project management. In our next session, we will discuss about the importance of having the appropriate subject matter experts in the project management unit. Stay connected. Enjoy your day.